So you want to know how to draw text in GameMaker. It's actually pretty easy. I've already got a player object, and I go to another object, put them in a room like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the object that I want to draw text on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the draw event. I already have it added, but to do that, you want to go to add event, down to draw, and then press draw here. Next thing you want to do is you want to do draw underscore text. You're going to see draw text ext, and all these other ones. They're all just different variations how to draw text. For this one, I'm just going to be showing the basic one. So it's draw text, x, y, and then a string you want to enter. A string is just like the text you want it to say. So I just want to say hello, exclamation point. And let's just say I want it to be at 50-50. I can also change the color by doing draw set color. And then you have to do C underscore, and then you're going to see all the colors. So I'm going to do black. Okay, now that I've done that, it should work just great. Look right there, at 50-50 on the game room, you're going to see hello.